Hello, dear beautiful ladies. How are you all? Very warm welcome to all of you on the journey of fashion and styles with Sufira Nas. So, dear beautiful ladies, I hope so you all are pretty fine, good, and enjoying the very good conditions of your health, doing very well. So, dear beautiful ladies, in my today's video, I am going to share with you a beautiful collection and beautiful styles designs of maxi dresses for enhancing your 2025 summer styles and summer look. So the maxi dresses is a type of dresses that typically reach the ankles or a floor length. Maxi dresses are most popular for their comfort, elegance, and versatility. Maxi dresses are floor sweeping or ankle length styles of dresses and can be floor fitted or A-line, and it's all depending on the versatile designs. Maxi dresses made from lightweight, breathable materials like cotton, linen, or silk or from fabric. Beautiful colors, beautiful styles, and beautiful designs of summer season's maxi dresses. And the maxi dresses are the perfect for warm weather and your everyday wears. And it can be dressed up or down depending on accessories and the shoes collections. Suitable for your various occasions from casual to formal wears. So you will carry the maxi dresses for your different occasions, like your beach trips, like your cotton parties, and for your everyday wears. So the perfect for a stylish and comfortable beach look, you will style the maxi dresses and even elegant and sophisticated for your outdoor events. And maxi dresses are a great choice for your running errands or meeting friends. So pair your maxi dresses with flat sandals or wet shoes for a casual look, and add a statement jewelry or a belt to enhance the look and styles. Those girls, those women who love to wear maxi dresses, who love to style maxi dresses. So I hope so dear beauties, these styling tips, these maxi dresses will be a useful and helpful styling for you. In 2025, you should carry these styles of maxi dresses as maxi dresses are a great addition to any wardrobe, and it's all offering the comfort and styles and versatility. I love all these style, I love all these designs, and I love to wear maxi dresses in different styles and different looks. I hope so, dear beauties, you will love these styles and designs of maxi dresses for your casual to formal wears. So must watch video till the end. And please don't skip any idea, don't skip any style and any designs. Very beautiful collection of styles and designs of maxi dresses coming up next in this video. Please dear beauties, don't forget if you are new on my channel, so please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. After getting the notifications of my videos, dear beauties, you will never miss any idea, any collection, any style, and any design on my channel. I always try to bring YouTube videos and useful content for you. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section how was this video, how was these designs of summer seasons, maxi dresses, which type of more collection you want to watch on my channel, or which type of more videos will be useful and helpful for you. Tell me in the comment section. I really try my best to make my videos according to your opinions. So don't forget to share your opinions in the comment section. So as you can see, different and stylish looks of maxi dresses. You are going to exploring A-line style maxi dresses, duffel work styles, patchwork styles, all over print styles with beautiful styles and beautiful designs of neck designing, sleeve designing, full sleeve style designs, half sleeve style designs, off the shoulder style designs. Beautiful colors, beautiful styles, beautiful designing ideas for beautiful ladies, for beautiful my viewers and subscribers. I'm very thankful to all of you for keep supporting me, keep sharing my videos, and for your positive feedback on my channel. Please keep supporting me, keep sharing my video, and keep visiting on my channel for more collection, for more ideas, for more styles, and for more designs. So it's 100 plus styles and designs of maxi dresses today I have collected for you in this video. I love all these designs and I hope so that you will love these styles. Yeah, you will love these designs. For more amazing ideas, for more collection, for more styles, and for more designs of dresses, dear beauties, to visit on my channel and watch the other videos of styles and fashion. I have already uploaded a huge collection of dresses on my channel, so it should you'll be styles of maxi dresses, find out mother of the bride dresses, casual wear, formal wear dresses, top house design styles, crochet made dressing styles. So a lot new ideas, new styles, and new designs of trending fashions. You will be find out on my channel. So visit on my channel and watch the other videos. I hope so you will love those styles and designs of dresses, and those videos will be helpful and useful for you. So just go visit on my channel and watch the other videos. Thank you so much, dear beauties, dear my viewers, dear subscribers for watching my video. Keep supporting me, keep sharing my video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas, styles, and designs for you in my next video. So till then, dear beauties, dear subscribers, take good care of yourselves, visiting on my channel, sharing my video with your loved one. Do subscribe my channel and sharing your kind opinions in the comment section. So goodbye, dear beauties, till the next video. Enjoy this video till the end.